Hello friends, welcome to the TechLian channel. So friends, today I talk about LIAN Li 2024 Digital Expo, some interesting new products. So friend, LIAN Li is set to unveil its latest innovation at the LIAN Li 2024 Digital Expo, scheduled for 9 a.m. And friend, the event comprises a comprehensive presentation covering prototype cases, standing tests, conceptual design for an all-in-one cooler and power supply. Prototype highlights include the SUP01 compact 45-liter case experimenting with a front GPU layout, DAN Cases A3 M-ATX case, the O11 VISION Black Connect, and additionally, LIAN Li will introduce the GALAHAD II LCD SHIFT and AIO cooling solution designed to minimize tubing. The EDGE Series PSU, a novel form factor power supply addressing cable access challenging in dual chamber cases, and friend, the event will culminate in a roundtable discussion featuring industry influencer and LIAN Li CEO Chen. So friend, the SUP01 case redefines PC layout with its front position graphics card and innovative cooling mechanism equipped with airflow optimized match panel, and it surpasses cooling performance benchmark. And friend, the DAN Cases A3 M-ATX case offers flexibility and efficiency with its all-match design, adaptable building features supporting up to 360 editors and various fan configurations. The case stands out for its adaptability, accommodating different GPU and cooling setups based on PSU placement. Pricing at $69.99, the O11 VISION Back Connect caters to back-connected motherboards, featuring notable changes in its design to support such configuration with an accepted MSRP of $129.99, and this variant retains a hallmark feature to the O11 Vision series while introducing enhancement for specific motherboard layout. And friend, the LIAN introducing the O11 Vision Chrome edition featuring pro-plated glass panel for a sleek. And friend, the GALAHAD II LCD SHIFT AIO introducing innovative tube routing, offering a near-tubeless aesthetic with customizable routing option available in 360 with black and white options. The EDGE Series PSU offers a unique form factor for optimal cable management, addressing modern PC connectivity needs with additional USB headers and wattage option ranging from 850 to 1300 watt. And lastly, the DK07 combines technology and design, featuring glass top and aluminum panels alongside integrated features such as transparent OLED display, cooling, warming cup holder, and adaptable USB hub. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.